automobiles are more advanced than ever before. Working on today's cars requires an understanding in the science and technology that goes into the modern, highly sophisticated automobile. In Union County Public Schools, the Automobile Repair Academy helps students to develop automotive knowledge and skills in performing scheduled automotive maintenance and in the service and testing of brakes, electrical systems, drivetrains, engines, and steering and suspension systems.
We're at Central Academy, an automotive service program, part of the Transportation Academy here at CATA. We do the automotive service end of the car. We do brakes, electrical, engines, computer systems, everything that you would see on the repair side. We have all the updated latest equipment that you'd see in the industry, so you get to learn and practice on what you'll use in the industry when you go out to be an automotive technician. We have a lot of things going on. We have electric vehicle program. We have something new, a rat rod program we're starting next year. Well, if you feel like you want to go into this field, this is a great place to start. We have people call all the time looking for it. If you're interested in automotive, this is the place to be.
Upon completion of the various courses, automobile repair students are given the opportunity to take the industry standard ASE certification exams. They are on their way to a promising career in the automotive repair industry. For more information about the Union County Public Schools Career and Technical Education Academies, please visit the CTE website under the Departments link on the UCPS website. Sign up for a CTE Academy today.